I'll show you how to make Chinese handmade noodles on weekends. We have 3 pretty colors. You can become a noodle master once you learn it. If you have leftover veggies, boil them, drain all water, then freeze them like this. They are super handy for juice, cold salad, or stir fry anytime. 3 veggies make 3 colors look so yummy. If my mom made these noodles for me when I was little, I'd feel like the happiest kid every day. The flour and water ratio can be 4:1 for your reference. Different flour soaks up water differently. Add a little salt, noodles will be chewy. Stop mixing when no dry flour left. Put on gloves and knead into a dough ball. If you see dry flour bits you can't mix in, add a tiny bit of water. It has lots of room for mistakes. Every problem has its solution. I think home cooking should be simple and easy. If your dough isn't perfectly smooth, it's okay. Make your dough a little firm, then your noodles will be bouncy and chewy. Cover the dough and let it rest for 20 minutes. Don't worry if the dough looks bumpy right now. Knead it a few times, it will turn super smooth. The dough gets softer after resting. I wanted an electric machine at first, but this hand crank one is cheaper. Split one dough ball into 4 parts. Dust lots of flour before putting dough into the machine. Fold the dough and roll it again. This makes the dough even and smooth. Roll the other 3 pieces in the same way. You'll get more skilled after rolling the second one. Flip all dough sheets over. The first one have rested enough. Turn the machine to level 3 for thinner sheets. Then switch to level 4. Pick the thickness you like, thick or thin noodles, up to you. But roll the dough step by step. This makes the sheets extra smooth. Dust lots of cornmeal before make noodles, so they won't stick together. Let's make white noodles first. It feels just like a local noodle shop. I'm the shop boss now. These white noodles taste amazing with curry sauce. Now let's make thin noodles. Making noodles by hand is super relaxing and fun. Just copy my hand movements, you can't go wrong. Store finished noodles in the freezer. Make purple noodles following the same steps too. Practice makes perfect. You'll get better at anything after doing it many times. Don't panic if your dough sheets look uneven during the process. Dust more cornmeal and roll again. See, it's totally fixable. The kitchen is such a forgiving place. Don't fear making mistakes here. Everything can be fixed. These thin noodles taste the best with scallion oil sauce. It's getting faster and faster. When you coil noodles into bundles, tuck all sharp ends inside. Eat the leftover noodles within 2 days. Prepping food on weekends calms me down a lot. Spend a little time on weekends, then weekday meals become super quick. Every meal will be ready in minutes. Frozen handmade noodles cook fast, only take 3 minutes to boil. It's really fun to make them. Have a try. Even when we grow up, we should treat ourselves like little kids and love ourselves well.